At Dave's Creek Ship. How far is Dave's Ship Creek circuit from Creek Road? Bunnaburra Lodge to Dave's Ship Creek Circuit outlook.
Dave's Creek Circuit track. Descend through the head of Wagumba Valley out. Keep an eye out for Surprise Rock, a volcanic dike made of hardy trachyter, which is able to withstand.
His name is David.
Dave, because David's a very good explorer, brother. Hey, I don't know. We love exploring. Like maybe 20 metres, 100 metres up. How far?
Beginning from the Bunnaburra trail, go through the Wagumba Valley and exit into the Dave's Creek region.
Yeah. Isn't it funny that they say an average of 3 hours 37? Why not just say an average of 3 hours 40, then if it's an average? Well, it's right to the minute. Through an average of 3. Years old.
Looks like healthy.
Not healthy.
Big one. Leaning to the right.
Leaning tower.
Come on, Jerry. A tree with lots of decorations.
It's got lots of stuff, even the
To the top.
little ones.
As a ornament in the tree.
That would have taken years to grow.
Massive.
That would have taken years to grow those plants. It's amazing how healthy they grow.